folks, Maverick Indicators here. All right, Monday morning, here we go, bright and early. Oops, sorry, clicking the wrong things here. Yeah, so we're off to a beautiful start here. Let me move up my stop loss here. I'm on the 1 minute chart, got my 1 minute settings. If you're unfamiliar with that, let me get my font a little bit bigger for you guys to see. Again, I know you guys watch on like your phones and things like that. All right, so we're up about $100. I'm only in one contract. It's Monday morning. Okay, with the news and how things are in the markets and stuff, I'm not going crazy heavy at 8 a.m. So very, very simple. So why are we in this trade? Very simple. Gosh, we're firing on all cylinders. I got an A+ setup to the upside, folks. An A+ setup to the upside. I get a green background. The bulls are in control. Bright green candles. The Maverick AI Pro colors my candles to the data, not to price and direction. So bright green, if you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. We are on a 1 minute chart. Okay, so got two beautiful buy signals here. Look at this. Beautiful buy signal. Beautiful buy signal. Whew. Took off. Whew. Took off. That's the Maverick signals. That comes in the Ultimate Edge bundle. Maverick trender is pegged to the top down here. When this line is pegged to the top, it shows massive strength and momentum. Green line means to the upside. Red line means to the downside. All 5 traders, T1 through T5, all 5 traders who have a completely different style are all voting bullish across 6 time frames. How beautiful is this? Instead of having 6 charts on your monitor, why not just have the Maverick Multi-X, a nice, neat little package up here, and 5 traders. This is like being in the room with 5 other traders, and they're all casting their vote. Are they bullish or are they bearish across 6 time frames? You can change these time frames to whatever you want. You can add a 7th time frame. And then down here, the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar, which is now out on NinjaTrader as well. By the way, anybody who owns it on TradingView will get it for free on NinjaTrader. We released it this past weekend. Look, we're up $250 on only one contract. The Maverick Radar gave us A+ setup. This is going through our entire checklist of everything we look for to take a trade, and it's telling us, do we have an A+ setup to the upside, a B setup, or no setup? And look what happens when you have an A+ setup. Folks, I'm in one contract and we're up over $300. Way to kick off a Monday. Absolutely beautiful. Wish I would have gotten it back here on this buy signal, or even this buy signal, but wasn't in front of my charts. Again, this is clear vision. All right, this is edge in the market. When you have an ultimate trading assistant, how many times have you gotten into a trade, you thought you were going to crush it, and then it just comes back, stops you out, you go back to the trade, and you say, what was I even thinking? Well, let the Maverick Radar down here, the ultimate trading assistant, be your eyes. Point out the A+ setups, and you can make this as big as you want or as small as you want, but this is going through our entire checklist of indicators to say, hey, do we have no setup, a B setup, because you want to be aware of like before a setup happens, and then an A+ setup. And guys, I got an A+ setup. I'm only in one contract. I'm up over $400 on a Monday. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So listen, if you want clear vision, if you're looking for edge in the market, all right, not financial advice, do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.